Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our experiment number 5. So today we will be experimenting about fluid flow. Okay, so generally there are different kinds of flow that fluids experience. So today we will see two: laminar flow and turbulent flow. So how are we going to do that? Well, for today we will be building our equipment. So we will need a container big enough to contain water, lots of it, pipe, a clear pipe so we can see the water flow, and then a faucet, and then optionally a syringe and dye, and surely container for the dye. So basically the goal is to build an equipment where we can visualize the flow. So how are we going to do that? So the faucet, we will open it partially, very tiny opening, so that the fluid hopefully runs with laminar flow. And then we will time the amount of time that the fluid can fill a beaker with a given amount of volume. So after that, the fluid that we get on the container, we will then do the ball drop test. Same thing that we did in the third experiment. So that we'll get the absolute viscosity. And from the absolute viscosity, we can get the Reynolds number. Given that the formula, so that the Reynolds number is equals to the density of the fluid multiplied by the velocity that the fluid fills the container, and then the diameter of the pipe all over the viscosity. So now, first thing that we're going to do is, of course, build the equipment. And then we will run the experiment. Is that we have to remember to make it watertight. If it's not watertight, results may vary. So after that, we will let it run, hopefully getting laminar and turbulent flow, and then we will conduct the ball drop test. After that, it's simply plug and play with the formulas that we have to get the Reynolds number. And that is all. Bye bye.